Stop scrolling. You need to watch this if you're a travel enthusiast. These Burj Khalifa facts will blow your mind. Standing at a staggering 828 meters, the Burj Khalifa is taller than 3 Eiffel Towers stacked on top of each other. This architectural marvel has 163 floors, and get this, there are 57 elevators and 8 escalators to help you navigate. The building is so tall, you can watch the sunset twice in one day, once from the ground and again from the top. And here's a fun tidbit. It takes about 36 workers 3 whole months to clean its 24,000 windows. Feeling hungry? The Burj Khalifa is home to the world's highest restaurant, Atmosphere, located on the 122nd floor. Did you know the tower's design was inspired by the Hymenocallis flower, a true blend of nature and engineering? And for you movie buffs out there, remember Tom Cruise scaling the Burj Khalifa in Mission Impossible Ghost Protocol? Yep, that's the one. So next time you're in Dubai, make sure to have a look at this incredibly awesome tower.